Good Tuesday evening, Southeast Texas. A lot to talk about. Watching a complex of showers and storms trying to move into the area. I think, as you can see, modeling showing this weakening as it approaches our area coming up overnight. We'll still go with a 20, maybe 30% coverage of showers this evening for Southeast Texas. And look at this. This is dew point forecast over the next 7 days. And when we're in the 70s, it's very warm, very humid. And what that means is that no cold fronts are expected the next 7 days, but it also means that we'll have plenty to work with as looks like the ingredients, one of those ingredients in the formation of potential showers and storms is there, very high dew points. And looks like some promising news if your garden or your flower bed or your yard needs wet weather. I think we're going to have ample opportunity to see that coming up as a wet weather pattern settles into Southeast Texas. A mixed bag as far as the Southeast Texas allergy report today. Some allergens are higher, some are lower. Otherwise, moderate levels of tree, weed, and grass pollen being measured in Southeast Texas. I know it's not tropical season yet, but modeling is insistent on trying to develop something off the southeast U.S. coastline coming up this weekend. Hurricanes that are giving this a 50% probability. Noticed this yesterday on some of the modeling. And we have this happen from time to time, not anything to get worried about. The question is, where's it going to go? I'm glad you asked that question because I think we know where it's going to go. We'll be watching this Saturday. There's your clock. Saturday early morning. It's going to be near the Bahamas. We'll be watching this trough of low pressure. Boy, we want to have that in September and August and July. As we head on into Monday morning, it will strengthen. Notice these circles around that area of disturbed weather. And it does appear that this trough of low pressure will come on in and guess what? Pick it up and sling it back out to sea. Not coming in the Gulf of Mexico, and it does not look like it's going to affect the United States coastline any way, shape, or form. So tonight we'll keep a 20, maybe 30% coverage of showers should these that complex try to move on in. If it does, it's going to be in a weakened state. Otherwise, cloudy to mostly cloudy skies expected coming up tonight. Then tomorrow we'll start the day off on a cloudy, warm, humid note, upper 60s to lower 70s, and we'll give it about a 20, maybe 30% coverage coming up tomorrow. I think we'll see some sun in the afternoon as the clouds begin to scatter out. We'll give it about a partly sunny afternoon. Otherwise, very warm and humid, highs low to mid 80s in Southeast Texas. Better rain chances on the horizon as we head on into Thursday, watching a couple of disturbances coming on in this west to southwest wind flow aloft. And then we'll be watching Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, upper level low pressure forming up in the northeast Texas. And then that low will be right in our laps as we head on into Monday and Tuesday of next week, keeping the rain chances alive across our area. On the Gulf of Mexico, choppy seas around 2 to 4 feet in your coastal marine forecast. A southeast wind expected at 10 to 15 knots. Our forecast for tonight, 20, maybe 30% coverage. Otherwise, warm and humid, low temperatures only into the upper 60s lakes to near 70 to the lower 70s in the triangle. At about a 20, maybe 30% coverage tomorrow. It'll be a warm, breezy day with partly sunny skies in the afternoon. High temperatures will be in the low to mid 80s. Extended forecast Thursday, that next disturb Twitter. And as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com.